Divide. Again, let's write this as a long division problem. X squared minus 5 divided into 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x minus 2. And we're going to look at this leading term and divide it into the leading term. X squared goes into 2x to the fourth, 2x squared. And I tend to have a tendency to write it on top of the same term that it looks like. And I need to multiply back. 2x squared times negative 5 is negative 10x squared. 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the fourth. Now the key thing in doing these problems is that you must remember that we are subtracting in long division. With subtraction, it's best to add the opposite of what follows. And both of these terms here are what follows that subtraction. So now we have a positive 2x squared, and x cubed minus nothing is still x cubed, and 2x to the fourth plus a negative 2x to the fourth has been eliminated. We get to bring down the next term. If you wanted to, you can bring down all the terms every time. I'm going to take this leading term again, x squared, and divide it into the leading term. And that would go a positive x. Now that positive x needs to get multiplied back to both terms in the divisor. So x times the negative 5 is a negative 5x. And x times your x squared is x cubed. Again, this is long division, so we're subtracting. So we really want to change it to adding the opposite of what follows, which will give us a positive 8x. 2x squared plus nothing is still a positive 2x squared. And as required, x cubed plus a negative x cubed has been eliminated. We must make sure that we eliminate the first term every single time we do long division. So I'm bringing down that last term. And again, I'm going to take this leading term, x squared, and divide it into the leading term, 2x squared, and that goes a positive 2. This 2 must get multiplied back to each term that I'm dividing by. So 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Long division, this is where we subtract. So we actually add the opposite of what follows. Now we have positive 8 and an 8x, and our leading term has been eliminated. Now if I'm going to try and divide x squared into 8x, it won't go. This is what we're calling the remainder, where the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So the answer for this division problem is 2x squared plus x plus 2, and the remainder is written 8x plus 8 divided by the original divisor, x squared minus 5. So that's our final answer for this division problem.